Thanks for joining today's episode of Small Talks for Big Change, where we help simplify financial topics to help with your financial wellness. My name is Michelle Enriquez, Membership Development Manager here at Patelco Credit Union, and today we've got Erin Mendez in the studio. Erin, welcome.
Well, thank you, Michelle. Glad to be here.
So Erin Mendez is President and CEO of Patelco Credit Union. Since her arrival at Patelco in 2013, Erin has transformed the organizational culture to building financial wellness for members, team members, and the community Patelco serves. During this time, Patelco grew from $3.9 billion to over $9.4 billion in assets and grew members from 275,000 to over 470,000. Prior to joining Patelco in 2013, Erin served as Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer at Schools First Federal Credit Union. Her career began as a part-time teller for American Savings Bank, progressing to SVP of Retail Banking. Erin's more than 30 years' experience in the financial industry also includes CIO and SVP of Operations at Western Financial Bank and Chief Technology Officer at HealthNet, Inc. Erin was recognized by the California Credit Union with her Distinguished Service Award, inducted into Q's Hall of Fame, and was recognized by American Banker in their inaugural Top Powerful Women in Credit Unions. So today we're talking credit unions and the credit union difference, and who better to share than Erin, who is a champion for credit unions and their collective mission to improve people's lives. So Erin, you've worked for traditional for-profit companies before. What made you make the leap to CUs?
So, really, I knew nothing about credit unions when I received a call from a recruiter, looking for someone who would lead both the finance and the technology teams at then Orange County Teachers Federal Credit Union, who is now known as Schools First Federal Credit Union. My first reaction was, no, I have no interest, because I had the impression that the organization would be tiny and very limited in their products, so I thought the job would be boring, quite frankly. So the recruiter basically told me that I should get educated, and that's what I did. So I went through, learned a lot about Orange County teachers at that time, and so I decided I'd throw my hat in the ring for the opportunity. And at the end of that, I was offered the position, and I started in January 2003. What I learned fairly quickly was that being at a credit union for me was banking with a soul. You get to do great work while doing good. You only need to worry about members and how you make a difference for them. It's a direct relationship where the members benefit without having to concern yourself with stockholders or earning money for stockholders. Members are our owners, and they're one and the same at credit unions. And so your focus and making a difference is a win-win for a member. And I really grabbed onto that, and that's what I call banking with the soul.
Banking with the soul. I think that's the first time I've heard you say that. I'm going to have to maybe steal that, borrow it from you. I'm going on year 17 at credit unions myself. I have a similar story. I learned by credit unions by accident. In the first phase of my career, I made the leap and I never looked back. I think for me, what drew me in was credit unions' collective mission and what they stand for, and that simply is people helping people. I'm going to share Patelco's vision and mission, and that is our vision is to be the credit union that empowers our members to achieve financial freedom. Our promise is to fuel hope and opportunity for lifelong financial well-being, and our mission is to build our members' financial health and well-being. Now, everything from employee onboarding to training to messaging that we give to our Patelco at Work partners, the community, is all around building financial health and well-being. I think what our members love most about Patelco is that when we say we aim to build our members' financial health and well-being, we really mean it. How important is it to you to get our whole organization on board with this mission, and what are some of the ways we strive to achieve this?
Well, there's nothing more important than it, because it takes all of us to make a difference with our attitudes, our practices, our products and our services, and our connection with people. how we build our members and design the services we provide them, how we deliver to their expectations and beyond, how we improve their financial lives. Everyone makes this happen at each moment with the member and at each interaction. I and the leadership team must set the framework and the guidelines that allow the team to flourish in serving our mission and in serving our members so that our members receive the benefits that we have to offer. But it is the team that really makes this happen, and you need everyone on board working for our members.
It's so true. And, our team is lucky enough to be face-to-face with our communities on the ground, delivering financial wellness programs in a variety of ways, right? We've got webinars, in-person education delivery, tools, resources, and now this cool podcast. But we also share some really unique products and services that we really design to help our members bank more conveniently with us, help increase their credit score, save more, etc. What are some of the newer things that we've rolled out to members that support their financial wellness that you maybe think are kind of unutilized hidden gems?
Well, every year we invest in our mission, whether it's new products and services, upskilling our team, or addressing pressure points that our members have. So let me just talk about this year alone and some of the things that we have done. So we've implemented 2 new products. One's called Bank Up. It's a check. The other one is Instant Backup, which is an overdraft on your checking account. And both of these products are designed to help our members manage daily and reduce the cost of banking services and to keep them on the right path to build their financial health. We focused a lot this year on fraud because it's just unfortunately awful, the social engineering that's going out there in our world and certainly here at home. So let me kind of talk about some of the fraud improvements we made. Whether it is in how we've stepped up our communication to our members to constantly make them aware of some of these scams, but we also have a fraud center on our website that really explains a lot of fraud scams and to help members see and maybe see early warnings that perhaps the person they're dealing with isn't the person they should be dealing with. We put in a specialized team of fraud experts in our contact center so that our members actually can get direct access to them so they could talk to us before they're scammed anytime they have an ill feeling or have a concern about any conversation they're having. These experts can really help a member go through and understand what really looks like a scam so that they can prevent that from happening. Because once you're scammed, it's really hard to get back any of the funds. So I really hope our members use a lot of that service because it's been built for them. We also continue to add features to our digital banking that members can use to help themselves build financial lives and journeys and make it better for themselves. We've added features that allow you to create goals around savings, budgets, and recently financial insights into how members' money is being spent so a member can sit back and determine, is that how I want to spend my money or should I do it differently? And of course, all of these complement the fact that there's many alerts that any of our members can help set up or we can help you set up to manage funds daily and prevent mishaps. We've also added more certified financial specialists to work with our members. And they're there for more complex matters. And sometimes they're there for encouragement too. Each one of these specialists empower our members to make better choices and repair and improve their financial situations. That's just a few of the things that we've done this year. And again, the team, we have a great team and they're fabulous to work with our members.
This is so great. I mean, from Bank Up to Instant Backup and, what was overdraft fees to fraud resources, financial insights, certified financial specialists. These are things that when we talk about the credit union difference, these are the things that really set us apart in the financial industry and really go back to that old idea of people helping people. Now, International Credit Union Day is coming up, or ICU Day as we call it, coming up on October 19th, and this year's the 75th anniversary, so it's a big milestone. ICU Day exists really to raise awareness and celebrate, all of these things that we're talking about and what makes credit unions unique. And for us, it's an opportunity to showcase the credit union difference and celebrate the spirit of the global credit union movement. So this day is recognized to reflect upon the credit union history, promote its achievements, recognize hard work, and share member experiences. ICU Day has been celebrated the third Thursday of October since 1948, again with that ultimate goal to raise awareness about the tremendous work that we're collectively doing. Erin, you're a director for the World Council of Credit Unions, and their vision is to expand financial inclusion, not just here in the U.S., but worldwide, through this global credit union movement. Can you share with our Patelco team members how important it is for you to be involved with the World Council of Credit Unions and what role we all play to advance the movement as a whole?
Sure, be happy to. I joined the WOCU board to make a difference globally in helping those of moderate and really, quite frankly, limited means to build their financial lives. It is a way of spreading the Patelco difference throughout our world, bit by bit and member by member, to build resiliency in areas of the world with less. And others can help create more bearable lives for those people and their families. I get to learn other ways and other products that matter to these members, and some of this can spark an idea for our Patelco members. Helping others to build a better financial life, whether here at home or internationally, this is doing great work while doing good, and all of us can use more of it. Filling our soul by helping others begin to prosper or at least make ends meet. Well, for me, that's the bucket I gladly will fill. And I hope all of those around me agree.
So in summary, I think if you're not already a credit union member, well, why not? Patelco is a full-service financial institution serving the Greater Bay Area and beyond. We make it inclusive, easy, and affordable to join. If you'd like to learn more, we invite you to check out our website at patelco.org or contact us at join@patelco.org. And Erin, thank you so much for taking the time to share your story with us today. That concludes today's episode of Small Talks for Big Change, where we help simplify financial topics to help with your financial wellness. We'll see you next time. Patelco Credit Union is insured by NCUA.